So here we are at the Sanctuary Cove boat show, where you see some pretty interesting boats, some you don't usually see in America. Here's one you might find interesting. Take a look at this. Looks like some kind of a weird aluminum center console with a T-top, but if you look in the front, you can see that it's actually got an integral nose wheel. If we go back towards the back, see the back of the boat. Here you see it in action. Keep an eye on it. And look at this. Here the guy is retracting the wheel, he's rocking it back and forth on the back wheels. Now the front wheel goes down. It's pretty wild, huh? If that's not strange enough for you, how about this? This is a jet-powered surfboard. What's the top speed of this? What's the top speed of this?
Top speed? Oh, how long can you hold on? You can go up to about 80 k's an hour, but you know, most people cruise along at about 50, 60.
Yeah?
Very comfortably.
Who builds the engine?
Sorry?
Who builds the engine?
It was originally designed by a guy in the States, but we've re-engineered